Hi, today we're going to be looking at volume of a triangular prism. Let's get started. Okay, so let's look at this triangular prism right here. The first thing that we want to find out is what is the formula for it. So I'm not going to give you the formula, we're going to figure it out. So if I were to fill this with water or a liquid, how would I find the formula? How would I find the volume of this, the volume that this figure can hold? Well, the first thing that we need to find out to find the volume is to find the area of the base area. So this is the base area right here that's highlighted in green. Okay, so this is the base of the figure. Obviously, this is also the base of the figure. So you could find the area of either one. In fact, they will be identical. So if you find either one, you'll be fine. So once you find the base area of a triangular prism, all you have to do is then multiply that base area by the height. Okay, and that will give you the volume. So let's look at this example that we've got here. Okay, so what's the base area here? Okay, what's the area of this triangle? Well, let's have a look. So let's do this on the side here. Base area of a triangle. Well, do you guys remember the formula of the area of a triangle? Right? It's base times height divided by 2. Well, what's the base here? 6, right? So 6 centimeters times height, which is 4 centimeters, divided by 2. Well, 4 times 6 is 24 centimeters squared divided by 2, which gives us an answer of 12 centimeters squared. Okay, so the area of this triangle right here is 12 centimeters squared. Okay, so the base area here is 12 centimeters squared times height. Well, what's the height? The height of this particular figure is 10 centimeters. So 10 centimeters. 12 centimeters squared times 10 centimeters gives us 120 centimeters cubed. This is really important. As a side note, everything when you're looking for volume, anything that's volume will always be cubed. Okay? Remember, area will always be squared, right? With volume, it's always cubed because you're multiplying the unit 3 times. We multiplied the centimeters, uh, uh, 2 centimeters here, which gave us a squared, and then we multiplied this squared centimeter with another centimeters, so it became cubed. So the answer for this figure is, the volume of this figure is 120 centimeters cubed. Okay. Let's check out some examples here, some more examples. So here I've given you the base area of the shaded region. So in this case, it's 10 centimeters squared. So remember, volume equals base area times height. Okay, the height here is 15 centimeters. Since this is the base, this diagram is a little tricky because actually you should be standing this diagram up. So this will be on a table, for example, and this will be the height of the figure. So the height is 15 centimeters squared. So 10 centimeters squared times 15 centimeters, that gives us 150 centimeters cubed. And that is the answer of this figure. Let's check this out. Again, volume equals base area times height. Well, base area is 2 meters squared times what's height? 5 meters. That gives us 10 meters cubed. Okay, let's do a few more questions. Okay, so we've got, I haven't given you the base area here, so let's figure it out. So the first thing we want to do is figure out the base area. Well, the base area, as you remember, of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So what do you have here? 4 times 3. So area equals base times height divided by 2. So we've got 4 meters times 3 meters divided by 2. 4 times 3 is 12 meters squared divided by 2. That gives us 6 meters squared. So the area of the base is 6 meters squared. The volume is base area, which we know is 6 meters squared, times height. So 6 meters squared times the height here is 8 meters, and 6 meters squared times 8 meters gives us 48 meters cubed. That is the volume of this figure. Okay, let's check out this question here. Again, let's find the base area here of this shape here. Again, this is a triangle, so it's base times height divided by 2. The base here is 5, the height is 4. We're going to do some mental math. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. So the base area is 10 centimeters squared. Okay, great. So volume equals base area times height. Base area, we just did mental math, is 10 centimeters squared times height is 11 centimeters. Well, what's 10 centimeters times 11 centimeters? It's 110 centimeters cubed. Sorry, 10 centimeters squared times 11 centimeters gives us 110 centimeters cubed. Okay, lastly, we gotta find the base area, which is this triangle right here. Again, let's do some mental math. The base area of a triangle, and I've done a video on this, that's why I'm skipping this part, because you should watch the previous video of area of a triangle. Remember, the formula is base times height divided by 2, so base is 6 times 2, which is height, is 12, divided by 2, 6. So the answer for the area here is 6 centimeters squared. That's the base area. Okay. Volume equals base area times height. So we know base area is 6 centimeters squared times height, which is 9, gives us, well, what's 6 centimeters squared times 9 centimeters? It's 54 centimeters, and do not forget it's cubed. Oh, I made a mistake here. Gotta put centimeters. Gotta put your units. So 6 centimeters squared times 9 centimeters gives you 54 centimeters cubed. Okay? Awesome. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video.